Pull! Like that, Mike. Get aggressive at the bird. That was perfect. Perfect. Getting as fast as a normal field. You know, you look at it, you don't recognize that, but if you could, and I tell people this, and I can't do it, but if I could throw you that rabboo, then ease out there, slide that rabboo out, and throw a standard off the same machine.
Yeah.
Oh, it'd be at least a third again faster, if not half. And what we miss on that rabboo, it's doing this. It's not stayed. It's failing more because of that weight. And that's why when you put a lot of lead or lead on them targets, they're over. Yeah. Do just what you did a while ago. Pull! Good. A little under. Yep.
Under.
Yep.
If I want to get to the top.
That's right. And kind of like I said, it feels like we're not used to do it. None of it is letting a bird like that just, you got to have so much patience, I feel like I do, and I have to really wait on a rabboo. And then you kind of feel like you're going pull, wham, just a quick little move, and just kind of, I want to match up right at that target and shoot. And that's hard to do because all of us want to go pull and start with a little gap on top, and boy, when you do, you're over the top of that thing. Awesome. And we go to another?
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah.
Wow. I gotta figure someplace to see it. All right, let's try this again. Oh.
Hard to see.
The tree picking up after it clears that tree.
Yeah.
That means by the time I get it, that bird's out here.
Okay.
All right.
Let's look at the feet.
Oh. Well, you can see it earlier. So
Okay.
here.
Good.
See it again. Oh. Oh.
Heard it. He's working a looper like that. Give me a little 7, 8 o'clock on that target. I said, when I'm looking at a looper like that, I said, I kind of imagine the face of the clock. That target's flying to a number, and then I try to work kind of whatever I feel like lead-wise out there to that number. I said, so be out there about 8 o'clock. He said, AM or PM? And he was serious. I said, well, I don't guess it matters.
You think that's a different spot?
That's right.